we just talk? Can we just talk? Think about where we're going. Can we just
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley. If you're new here, if you are, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss videos like this one. I'm just popping in real quick to intro today's video, which is just going to be a productive weekend in my life. I am switching out my clothes for the season because in the southeast we had a random cold front right after the last tropical storm came by, so it got drastically cold within days compared to where it was previously. I had to switch out some clothes. If you like clean with me, you're definitely going to love today's video, so keep on watching. My laundry, we're gonna get that going. I need to clean my bathroom, I need to vacuum my room, I need to unpack all the luggage. I just have a lot to do, so we're gonna try to get it all done today. If not, we still have tomorrow. Today's Friday, but I'm gonna be doing that. On Sunday I have to do some grocery shopping, so I'm just gonna bring you along for all the getting back in the swing of things and stuff that we need to do. That's all that's on deck for today. Let's get started. So I just got out of the grocery store. As you saw, I picked up just a few things. We're only going to be here for about 4 to 5 days, and then we're going to be heading home for Thanksgiving. I basically just needed to get enough items to last me for the rest of this week. So guys, that was my productive weekend in my life. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, remember to give it a big thumbs up so more people like yourself will find videos like this one. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye guys.